Hello, welcome to Willow Lee Sod Farms. On this video, we're going to go over our sod measuring tool. On our website, you might find yourself on this page, which is how to order sod online. And you will come across a screen that looks similar to this. To get started, you'll enter the address of the property that you would like to sod. For this video, we're going to use the farm's address, which is in Ameliasburg. You might recognize this if you've been to our farm. For this video, we'll use this house across the road and we're going to measure their yard to see how much sod they would need if they wanted to resod their area. Let's assume this homeowner would like to do their front yard, side yard, backyard, as well as this side yard over here, but they do not want to sod their driveway or this house area. So to get started, you'll notice over here that we've already got our first area started. So the first thing you'll do is as soon as you click your mouse, a pin will be dropped. And you want to go around the area that you will be sodding, dropping pins. Keeping in mind, you can move these once you've dropped them. The only complicated thing is we can't go and click within our area. So here I want to go around the house. I'll have to just put my pin over here temporarily and then drag it over to where I would actually like it to be. And I'll do the same thing for the other corner of the house like so. Once I've done that, I might move this pin a little bit, realizing the driveway might go over a little bit more or less. That should be accurate enough for the purpose of this video. And then to do the next area, you would come back over to the left, click on Add New Area. We have our second area here has been started. Same idea, go through here, dropping pins at the corners of the yard. Actually, that looks okay, I think. Maybe I'll move this one a little bit. And I'm pretty happy with that. From here, you'll see over to the left, total area, 18,450 square feet. This is the number you need to know how much square feet of sod you will need to order. Our sod is ordered by the square foot, and so this is the magic number. You can call us, you can order us online with your square foot measurement, and feel free to reach out if you have any other questions. Thank you.